Hey babes, so today's video is going to be a review slash tutorial of the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. So if you want to see if this palette is worth your money and if you want to see the gorgeous look that I'm going to create, then stay tuned and check out the video. Welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly and I am so happy that you are tuning in. Today's video is going to be a review slash tutorial of that gorgeous Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. A lot of you guys might know that we recently moved and I have a new studio. This is basically right now an empty room. I just put up some pictures on the wall so it doesn't look, all boring and stuff. But I was gonna do a little studio tour for you guys. I bought this gorgeous vanity with the Hollywood lights and everything. And it arrived yesterday and I got it and it turned out the lights, those cool Hollywood lights, shipped separately. I hope that the lights are gonna be arriving sometime this coming week. And then I will do a vlog next week with my whole studio tour and my whole setup so you guys can see what I'm working with here. So for now, I had to make up for the video, so I finally decided to get a Morphe palette. I've never used Morphe palettes before, so this will be very interesting. But it was so stunningly gorgeous and affordable too that I was like, how can I not get this palette? So look at the colors. It is stunning. So I'm gonna create a look, and since we're in fall, I think I'm gonna be working with a lot of greens and browns, and I don't know, we'll see where it goes. The palette was, I think it was like $25, which is amazing since it's huge and it has all those gorgeous colors in it. That's all I'm gonna say about that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Where have you been? This is where it's at. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my other videos. Go check out my videos. I have all kinds of playlists. I'll link some up here. Just look for them. But I love having you join my squad. And I hope you like the look that I'm creating today. And yeah, grab some snacks, grab a drink, sit back, enjoy, and check it out. So I hope I zoomed you guys in enough, but we're just gonna get started. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime my eyelids, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, which is my go-to concealer. And of course, you can also use an eyelid primer for this. I'm gonna go through this fairly quickly. I already applied my foundation and my powder to my whole face. So I already did that. I already kind of did my eyebrows. Just because, that alone will take me like a year. And we just want to get right down to the palette. I'm going to apply my Clinique loose powder number 4, just a little bit. And we're going to go straight into the palette. All the colors have names. This color is called Play It Cool. I'm going to try to see if I can use that as a transition color. I'm going to be using my eyeshadow shields for this one because I have a feeling it's going to go all over the place. So I'm just going to apply 1, 2, just in case I have fallout, and I already applied my powder and everything and I don't want it to mess up. So I'm going to apply that color as my transition color. It's a pretty natural shade, which is good. You always want your transition color to be a little bit darker than your skin tone, but not much darker. It's the color that's gonna make sure that everything flows naturally. And of course, for those of you who don't know your transition color, you wanna apply it in the crease of your eye, kind of a little bit below it and a little bit above it, because you still wanna see it when you apply the other colors. So there's a natural progression. Next, I want to go in with a green. So you know what? I'm going to have to be using this gorgeous green here. It's like a lime green almost. And this color is called Hello Sunshine. So here we go. I hope it's not too much of a green. Always tap your brush so there's less fallout on your face. And I'm just gonna apply this. Oh, I like that you can build it up. Absolutely, that's a must. There. Another thing, always keep your eyes open when you're applying eyeshadow. How are you gonna see what you're doing if your eyes are closed, right? There is a lot of fallout on the palette itself, but so far I'm not seeing any fallout on my actual face, so it's good. Next, I'm gonna get another brush here. How cute is this brush container? I'm telling you guys, I bought all kinds of stuff for my studio. Wait till you see next week. Hopefully my lights will be in and I can show you guys. We are going in with a darker color for the outer corner here. So we're gonna go with this color right here. And this color is called Green with Envy. So here we go. We're just gonna apply. Ooh, yeah, it's very green. But see, I want it to look green. I don't want it to just look like a blob of dirt on my eye. And I'm just gonna apply that in the outer corner. Now, when I do eyeshadow, somehow the outer corner, I always make it the darkest because I just think it naturally looks really, really good. There, and now I feel like I have to light up the middle part a little more. So, let me take another brush. I'm gonna take this lime green color right here, and this color is called Stroke of Luck, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner to finish off that green effect. And for the record, in everyday life, I don't really wear that many bright colors, but for videos I always find bright colors highly entertaining to watch, so that's why I use them myself in my videos. Although I love me a good natural look too. Oh, I love this color. I'm gonna have to apply more. This is the color. It's nice and bright. I'm just adding some more of this color. It's really not rocket science. We just have fun with it. Now, this light color here in the corner, it's called Light of the Party, and it's going to light up my eyebrow right there, because you always want to apply a little bit of highlight, like a lighter color underneath your eyebrow, just to lift them up a little bit. Now, I'm going to remove my eyeshadow shields. So there, I don't have to clean up anything because they took care of it. It's very sharp. I'm going to adjust my eyebrows a little bit with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Below my eye, my waterline, I'm going to apply some more green, and I am going to go for the green that I applied in the middle of my eyelid, and that's kind of gonna bring it all together. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna use the Wander Beauty Highline Liquid Liner, so I'm gonna kind of like exaggerate the line. Use a bit of concealer here to clean up that line. So now I am going to line my other eye, pop on some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just popped on some lashes. Lashes always make everything even better. I just popped on some Ardell lashes. They're the double up lashes, my favorite. And I'm gonna finish up my under eye. I'm going to line it with some regular eyeliner. And I'm just gonna line the bottom of my eyes, my waterline, on both sides. You always wanna make sure that you blend it. So you're gonna take a brush, and you're gonna take that green color that you put underneath your eyes, and you're gonna kinda blend in the eyeliner, just so it's not a harsh line. When it comes to makeup, you want to make sure everything kind of blends. So unless you're going for that, look where everything's like hard and tough, I'm going to use some of that fiercer color that I used on my inner corners, the lime green. Also below my eye, kind of just because it pops a little more. Now, I generally do not apply mascara to my bottom lashes, just because, I mean, you can do it if you want, but personally I don't like to do it. I just like the way it looks without. So I'm not gonna line my bottom lashes. Put mascara on my bottom lashes. Now for blush, I am using the Buxom Wanderlust blush, and this is in the shade Ibiza, and this is really fierce, so you just want to do a little bit, and I always put some powder over it because it's really fierce. Then on my lips, I am going to apply the Clinique lip color, and this is the lip color foundation, the Even Better Pop lip color foundation, and this is in the shade Tender. And I'm just gonna apply it. I'm not gonna line my lips and all that. I mean, if you agree with me, sometimes makeup that's done too perfect looks a bit fake, so you kind of want it to still look kind of natural, even though it's really not. I really love this lipstick, it's so creamy. But because I want a little bit more of a glowy kind of lip, I'm gonna apply my Fenty Beauty lip, gloss bomb over the center of my lip, just because I love this stuff. I could drink it. And as the finishing touch, my favorite new invention, well, my favorite new discovery, I should say, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. And this is the cheapest highlighter I have ever found that works so good that I am hooked. So just a little, oh, there it is. Yes, love this. If you buy any highlighter drugstore, this is the one, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. And this is not a sponsored video, people, so I'm just showing you what I use. Maybe a little more blush. Kind of have to balance the blush and the glow. There, I think that kind of does it. Okay guys, and there you have it. This is the final look. I popped in some cute Etika earrings. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So guys, my final review about the Morphe M35 Boss Move palette is actually a really good one. And I love that because I haven't had a good review in a minute. But this palette is thebomb.com. Yes, the 4 shades that I used to create this look were on point. I love the color payoff. There was no fallout or any messiness and everything, so it was really, yeah, it's just a stunning palette. And you know what? For $25, it is so worth it, because I mean, you look at this palette and you think, oh, that's easily gonna be 50, 60 bucks, you know? But $25, you can't go wrong with that. Nope, this palette, I give it a good 8. I'm not gonna give it a 10, simply because maybe, you know, when you first put the color on, you expect it to be more vibrant a little bit, but then after you start building it up, it's really, really nice. And you want to make sure you always get a palette that you can build up the color, but I thought it was going to be a little more vibrant than it was initially. But having said that, don't let that stop you from getting this palette. This video is not sponsored. If this palette sucked, I would be the first person to let you know. So, any palette you want to give someone, to give yourself, go get this palette. It's a good one. So, if you're in the store and you see it, just think Kim said it's good, it's good. Because if it wasn't good, I would tell you too. I'm that girl. So, having said that, this was my video for this week. I'll be back again next week. I post a video every Friday, Saturday at the latest, depending on how things flow and editing and stuff. And hopefully if my lamps come in, I can post the studio tour vlog video. So stay tuned for that. It's subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just do the like, comment, and subscribe thing, and I will see you guys again next week. Thank you for watching.